Hello. I've had several people call me to one good set of ranching cows. Here they are, guys. They're South Texas Crossbreds. They're really young. I mean, she's got a first calf on her. Her lives are 2s and 3s. We're calving daily. I had 2 calves born yesterday. So, and there's breed-wise, they're going to be Brafords, like see there, Beef Master crosses, Gert crosses. It's a good set of ranching cows again. Some of y'all boys South Texas been calling, wanting some cattle to turn out ranch, and you know, not to break the bank, but still a good return on investment. All these, they're really young. I don't think these 6-year-olds an entire deal. Most of these are 2 to 5s primarily, you know. They're gonna be, oh, you're just born, little cutie pie, look at you. Here's an example. I tagged these calves on Sunday. Today is Thursday. There's 4 calves without tags, so they've had since I tagged them. So that big stout cow, she's a, most people call her Brayford. She really is. She's a Bronvi Brahmin. That's, I wish I heard of the Bronvi Brahmins. Woo, cattle are gentle. Just a few cows that have horns. Cattle are gentle. Across the fence, I got a group of true F1 Brayfords. And they'll be getting equally as young. I should probably have her over there. I don't know what she's doing up here. She's a real McCoy. I should have her across the fence, so she's about to go across the fence. But I really like 3-year-old. That chop in the middle is heifer. 3-year-old. The brindle's 3-year-old. Horn cow's a 2-year-old. No, she's a 3-year-old. That's her second calf. She's got her first calf. Just a nice set of young crossbred cows. Again, you turn these girls out and ranch them for a long, long time. And across the fence, I got some true F1 Brayfords over there. Good set of ranching cows. Money makers.